Before you start, be sure to remove all power voltage and control voltage from the ATS480 Soft Starter. To remove the control block of an ATS480 Soft Start, first go to the terminal cover door, open it 90 degrees, the top corner push out like so, and remove that cover. Then take your screwdriver and remove 2 screws. Remove the control board. To reinstall the control board, make sure all your connections are secure. Take the control board, slide it into the slot and push down. Then reinstall the screw. Then get your terminal cover, put in the bottom side first, bottom corner first, snap into place and close.